Where's your eggs, Scarlett? Well, go ask your daddy. Go find your Easter eggs. He hid them.
I see one.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. Keep looking. Right there.
I found a
Oh, you found another one. Alright, one more.
Now let's find the orange one.
Where's the orange one?
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Is Daddy hiding pretty good?
Ask Daddy if you're cold or hot.
I see one.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where is it?
It's right there. It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
By that?
No.
Where is it?
I don't know, Scarlett. Where is it? It's right there.
Where?
This way. Right there.
Where?
I'm looking at it.
Are you looking in the bushes?
No,
Why?
because I don't see it.
Scarlett.
Where?
Right there. In the bushes.
In the bushes.
Oh my God, you found it.
I found it.
Okay, do your happy bunny dance. You found your eggs.
I found it.
Do your happy bunny dance. Yay!
Yay, now let's go by the house.